How to succeed in the affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing can be a passive way to earn income as long as you apply some guidelines to who you affiliate with. The income may be passive or quite active. Keep in mind, affiliates will not make you rich overnight, yet there are several ways to use it to your best advantage. When doing affiliate marketing, you automatically think of adding numerous banners to your site, but actually you should try to refrain from doing that. If you seem to have tons of banners stuffed into your website, it looks pretty ugly and makes people not interested in visiting your site again. Take advantage of press releases to boost your internet marketing efforts. Using a press release is a great way to raise awareness about your business and to reach new customers. There are a number of online distribution networks available for sharing press releases, making it easy to announce newsworthy items related to your business. There is no doubt that successful affiliate marketing does take a lot of consistent effort. Start by finding a niche, a topic, that is interesting to you. This way you will enjoy writing the content and building the niche website. Then find services and products that you can promote on your site. Then you can successfully market for an affiliate, and make some extra cash while doing so. Using videos to help promote your affiliate service is a great way to increase traffic. It's not really hard work either. All you need is to shoot a single video, and then you can post it on countless viral sites, send it via email, and spread the word all over the net. A little bit of work goes a long way with video marketing. If you do not have your own website to promote affiliate products on, then create one. A website is a great place to communicate with potential buyers and market affiliate products. On the website include relevant videos, useful product reviews, and your contact information so that customers can get in touch. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, a great tip is to become involved in online communities. Therefore, join different message boards and forums. Make connections with many different people who may be interested in your products, and include a link to your site in the signatures of the forums you have joined. As you have seen, there are many ways to use affiliate marketing to your advantage. It can be highly effective when the right choices are made and the right affiliates are gathered. It is not difficult to get started, and before long you will see the results from the gathered affiliates. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.